Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money on Wise. So simply in order to do this, here you can see the send money button. So simply just click on this green button, and after that when you click on send money button, simply you will move to next page. So here you can see the amount section. So now type the amount that you want to transfer. So simply in same currency you select here. In international currency you can also select the international currency here. So in my case I have selected the same currency, and after that just here you can see continue button. So simply just click on continue, and after that when you click on continue, simply like whom you want to transfer, myself, someone else, or business or charity. So simply just I have select this. Now here you have to type the account number and all the details, and after that click on confirm. Now in order to transfer money you have to verify your account. So after that when your account is verified, your money will be transferred to the relevant person or any bank account. So in this way you can transfer money